Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. In this video we will learn how to add watermark in our PDF. So idea is very simple. We will pick one image and put that behind the everything on our page. So it will look like watermark. So let's move to the IntelliJ IDEA for the practical. So this is our basic project and this project will create one blank PDF. So first let's run this. It will save Sarthi Hindi.pdf file in the D drive, then iText. Okay, so here PDF created and here you can see Sarthi Hindi. This is blank PDF and in this PDF we will add some text and watermark. So we are going to use this image for the watermark. Okay, so this is transparent PNG image. You can use your own company logo for the watermark, but in this case I am using this. Okay, so first thing, let's add some text in the PDF. So here let's create one paragraph. Paragraph dot add, and here we will add some text. Okay, so I have this dummy text, so just copy any text from your any resource, just copy and paste. Okay, so this is dummy text that we are going to use. The next thing, let's add this paragraph in the document. Document dot add paragraph. Okay, now let's run this. Make sure the PDF is closed before running. Now PDF created and here you can see our PDF with some text. Now we need to add one image behind this text. So for that, first we will copy this image and paste here in the src, then main, then these resources, and here if you don't find this directory, then you can just right click here, new, and create directory. Okay, so in my case I have already created this directory, so I will just right click here and paste. Okay, and now we have the image here. The next thing is we need to create one image data object, but before that, first let's create one string path. String img path, so we need to put path here, so just right click, copy path, select this third one and paste. Okay, so path is ready. Now create image data object. So image data, image data, image data factory dot create, and put the path here. So path is img path. Okay, now we need to create one image object. And here we will put image data. Okay, so image is ready. Now we need to place the image in the center of the page. So for that, here let me explain something. So let's assume this is the page. Okay, and we need to put the image in the center of this page. And for example, our image size is 640 pixel in the width and 320 pixel in height, and we don't know the page size, or if we know that is okay, but if we don't know, we can just get the center of the page using this. Okay, get width divide by 2 and get height divide by 2. Okay, so using these method we can get the center. So the x position will be get width divided by 2 minus half of this width. Okay, so in this case width is 640, then its half will be 320. Okay, so get width divided by 2 minus 320. Okay, if we subtract 320, this image will place here. Okay, same we will use for height. So height is get height divided by 2, that is this, and then minus half of this. So if we make half, that is 160, then this image will go upside till half of this image. Okay, so using this method we can place this image in the center of this page. Okay, so here what we are going to do, just use this image object dot set fixed position. So x position is PDF document dot get default page size dot get width divide by 2 minus 320. Okay, and for the y, same PDF document dot get default page size dot get height divide by 2 minus 160. Okay, put semicolon. And one more thing, we need to reduce the opacity of the image. So again, this image object dot set opacity, and here we need to put float value from 0 to 1. So for the 30% we will use 0.3 f. Put semicolon. And now one very important thing, please add this image before any content on this page. So first must be the watermark image. So document dot add image. Okay, so now Let's run this. But before that, here you can see I have used 320 and 160 because in my case again its size was same. You can see 640 into 320, so half of 640 is 320 and half of 320 is 160. So let's run this. Now PDF created, and here you can see PDF with watermark. Okay, so this was the trick that we can use to add watermark in our PDF. I hope I have explained everything, but if you have any doubt then you can write that in the comment box below. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, till then bye.